everyone, it's Brianna Ray from DIY here to bring you another video. Today I'm doing something that I've been thinking about doing for a hot minute, and I have everything I needed to do it, I just have yet to do it. So I have all these stickers here, and I sort of collect little packs that I think are pretty or that I might use for future projects. And I've got like some of these tarot ones, I've got like these Monet paintings and all these just kind of odds and ends around here. And I found online some of those like reusable sticker books. I thought they were cool, but I also thought that, hey, that'd be pretty easy to make at home and also to customize to look exactly the way that I would like them to look. So I've got some of my own stickers that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to use some of these, and I'm just going to build my own sticker book using some of the tools that I have at home. One of those tools that I have that I know not everybody has is this mini bookbinding machine. I just think this is a cool way to kind of use it and build something that, you know, I don't necessarily want to build otherwise. I think I got this for about $15 from Amazon, maybe $20 depending on the color. And it's just a super easy way to kind of build a spiral bound whatever when you're at home. Of course, you could always staple or stitch or do whatever you want to connect yours, but this is how I will be doing mine today. The project starts pretty simply with this sticker back paper. It is the stuff that stickers peel off of. I'm kind of going to show you with one of these guys over here. I'll just grab, there we go. And just like when you purchase stickers from the store, it sticks, and then you can peel it back off. It's the same material that's on the back of here. You can kind of see on the texture alone. So it's really just so that you can pick up and move stickers around. If you like collecting stickers but don't necessarily want to stick them anywhere, you can move them around, keep like stickers in the same book, or possibly even use this to kind of test out sticker layouts before putting them on a project. So I think there's a lot of cool uses for this. I've heard a lot of people talk about sticker anxiety. I do just kind of hoard a lot of stickers, primarily at my office. And I found exactly one place that I like to stick them, but I'm so afraid of like running out of space and then having to cover them up. It's like, it's a very weird thing, but I definitely can relate to that. So I just bought a big pack of this online, and I'm actually going to cut it in half and turn it into an A5 size booklet. So for that, I have my guillotine paper cutter. This piece of paper is 11 inches across, so I will usually raise it, pop it at 5.5 inches on my ruler up here. Make sure it's lined up with this dotted line. And also if I have multiple sheets, since these are slippery, they're very easy to cut, but also they slip around a lot. Like this, and just slice it down. Boom. And there we have 4 rather than 2 A5 sheets. Next, I head over to the mini binding machine. I'm going to pop this little dot up. This is just how I line everything up to make sure that they're even across. And I slip, you can slip up to 5 sheets of this in this mini one. And I kind of line it up at the base here. I'm going to zoom you in. Make sure that it's flush against the back and punch. Now I come down and you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I usually go to the 5th one. Pop it in that hole again so that it lines up. Set it against the back. And crunch, come down to that 5th hole again, crunch, and for this last one, I line it up just with the very edge. I don't know what hole that is exactly, but I do just kind of set it so that it's right at the tip. That way I don't have any holes that kind of go off the edge. And crunch, and you can see it goes straight up to the end. Now I can pop this one out, pop this one down. Not that it's super necessary. And I'll do the same the other way. Line it up in this hole, line it up to the end, and crunch. And that is how we get our spiral paper. And I repeated that process with 12 sticker sheets, so now I have 24 A5 sized spiral bound sheets of paper. Now for the cover. For this, I'm doing something semi-ironic, and I'm using a sheet of sticker paper. I did just find a template that I kind of liked on Canva, and I changed the title, so Reusable Sticker Book by DIY. I liked this pattern, I thought it was pretty, and you can pretty much do whatever you want here. If you want a sticker book just of one specific style of sticker, or like a collectible sticker, or whatever the case may be, then maybe you can kind of theme the cover like that. I also have a piece of chipboard. Now I needed this to be a really thin piece of chipboard, that way I could fit it in here. So what I'm going to do is I have this extra thin sheet, and I'm going to peel this sticker paper off and just lay it over top of my chipboard here so that I eventually have my cover. I do not mind that the inside is still this like standard chipboard color. It doesn't bug me at all, but you could always paint yours or place another piece of sticker paper on the other side. All right, we've got our covers all set and ready to go. So now I'm going to take my sticker sheets over here and line them up. And usually what I do here is I like to stick just like a thin paintbrush or something through the hole just to make sure everything is aligned, because sometimes they do not like to stay aligned. So just something like that, really quick, to make sure that the rest of this doesn't come out of whack. And I have these little spirals. You know, I should probably do it the direction I need to twirl it, like that, and then we just kind of swirl it in through all of these holes all the way up. Depending on how stubborn your paper is, this could be a 1 to 2 minute long process, but these are usually designed for a full-length sheet of paper, so since I cut them in half, of course, it is about half. So I'm just gonna take a pair of scissors and snip. These are not metal, these are plastic, so it's easy peasy. I got a pack of 30 of these, I think, for like $8, so not too bad at all. And that is the basics of the sticker book. So I can now go through and I can, on both sides, add in some stickers. So if I kind of come back to my little Monet paintings, and I can make a little page just of these particular Monet stickers, something like this. And if, oh no, I accidentally placed it the wrong way, I guess I'll just have to peel it up and pop it somewhere else. And that's really as easy as that's going to be. Like I mentioned, they can also be placed on the back side of these sheets. They're a little bit see-through, so you might have to worry about that if that bothers you. But definitely an easy peasy way to store these, and also a great way if maybe you are interested in selling or creating. I do have some of these that I based off of some pins I found on Etsy. I just kind of use these as like some shading practice for like the golds or whatever, and I turned a couple of them into some pins just because I liked them and I thought they were pretty, and I already had the artwork. But this is an easy way for you to kind of show off some of your stickers as well. So I'm just going to cut these out and make a little bookish page inside my sticker book as well. That's really it. That's how you do it. So as you can see, I have the ones that I printed myself. I have all my Monets all in one space. You know, if it's, again, a little crooked, I'm able to kind of move it around. Maybe I want to organize them by color, shift them around, whatever. This side's a little bit more abstract. I didn't really want to film me putting all of these stickers on anything. It just seemed funky. But yeah, I have all these stickers that I can now throw in here. I also had another idea for like what this could be good for, which would be something like if you're a teacher and you give stickers to kids. I've seen some teachers that have like kind of ranges of stickers, like some of them cost more money to or cost more like in class currency or whatever. Like, oh, these stickers in particular, because they're bigger, they're worth like 4 class points, and these ones are only worth 2, so you know, you can get them easier or you can save up for them. So something like that. You could have like different pages, and this is your like 2-page, and you can hand kids stickers right out of there if you like quantify them in that way. I think this might even be a cheaper option than like, or really a space saving option compared to something like having like drawers or whatever, like I've seen a lot of teachers do. But yeah, so this is really it. The whole kind of look, super simple, space saving. I actually quite like it. I don't know exactly how regularly I use this. Like I said, I don't use stickers a whole lot, but I do kind of buy them if I think they're pretty. So I'm hoping that as I kind of collect more stickers and receive them from others, that now I have a nice place to keep them safe and feel like I'm using them and taking good care of them maybe. So that was all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe. I do put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'd love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and I hope to see you then. Bye.